How to delete your Xbox account permanently. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily delete your Xbox account permanently. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to any of your web browser and go to the official website for Xbox and make sure to log into your account. Now, all you have to do here is, as you can see, I've already logged in. Tap on your account section and click on my Microsoft account. It will open up your Microsoft account right here on the new tab. So once you get to your Microsoft account, all you have to do is click on your profile icon right here, and it will open up your profile section. So from here, if you scroll down a bit, you will see all of your profiles that are connected with your Microsoft account, like your Xbox profile or your Skype profile. Now, in order to delete your Xbox profile, you will have to click on Close Account. Because there is no active way to close only your Xbox account, you will have to close your entire Microsoft account. Just note that. Now, from here, if you scroll down, you just have to click on Close Account right here. So here it says, just in case if you change your mind, you will be able to recover your account within 60 days. So just click on Next. So here, as you can see, you will have to select a reason. You'll lose all of your access for Skype, Office 365, which also includes Xbox, OneDrive, and many more. So just click on all of these, and then you will have to choose your reason. So just scroll down and state your reason. So from here, you can select all of these and then mark your account for closure. Click on it. And once you do that, you will be taken to the next page where you will have to verify your account. So here, as you can see, this account will be closed on this date right here. And you can always reopen this account, preventing the closure by signing in back within 60 days to reopen it. So that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys next time.